Singapore. It is time to give out Cebu Pacific souvenirs. Before we proceed with our game, we want to give the first prize to the guests who can show us the Go Rewards app on their phone. Anyone who wants Go Rewards? And they're alright, we have Fast Hand at the back.
That big, that white, that into the...
Congratulations to our first winner. Remember that rewarding experiences keep going with Go Rewards. Catch exciting deals from a variety of retail, airline, and lifestyle partners. Download now for free on Apple App Store, Google Play Store, and Huawei App Gallery. And now on to our game, which is called Read Me a Song. The mechanics are very simple. I will be reading a few lines from favorite songs, and all you have to do is raise your hand and give us the title of the song. Magbabasa po kami ng piling linya ng mga sikat na awitin. Itaas lamang inyong kamay kung alam nyo ang tamang sagot sa at manalo ay makapag-uwi ng papremyo mula sa Cebu Pacific. Guest bound for Singapore, if you are ready, can you have 5 fingers in the air na gusto pong manalo ng papremyo? Alright, let's begin. And for my first song, every night in my dreams I feel you, that is how I know you go on. Have a fast hand at the middle. Alright, congratulations to our second winner, and the correct answer is My Heart Will Go On. And now for our last and final prize, pabilisan lang po na pagtaas ng kamay. Even in my heart I see you're not being true to me. Deep within my soul I feel nothing like it used to be. Sometimes I wish I could turn back time.
So you see the
Once again?
one parts another a little parts.
Alright, for another song.
One little
And the correct answer for that song is Quit Playing Games with My Heart. And now for my last and final song. It's me. Hi, I'm the problem with me. Alright, we have a fast hand at the middle.
So you like this video?
Alright, congratulations to our final winner. That concludes our fun games for this flight. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the flight.
That will be notified in upcoming video.
Ladies and gentlemen, shall landing shortly. If you wish a fresh and abuse and stories, this is the perfect time to do.